for this show. I slept the whole day and had to wake up exactly when I'm supposed to get ready. I don't even know my show said, to be honest. What am I gonna do? Before my shows, I always have to sit and meditate and think about exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm not getting the time to do that. Y'all know I love to read, and my shinings know that I love to read. Thank you. She wrote this book. That's fire.
Peaches boy this man. People are peaches boy this now. Romeich this from down at Walton Park Road, Kingston, Jamaica, you know. Yeah. How me there? Me there at Dubai.
Yeah, people. So Shenseea is in Dubai right now. She's performing at the African Festival, right? And it's a 3-day event, and she's performing on the second day, which is today, right? But we don't know the time set up. But from the looks of them thing up on our story, probably she'd perform already, or you know what I mean, she's up on stage right now, or look for go up on stage. You see what I mean? I say. But people, Romeich is there too as well. And Romeich post a picture you wanna look on right now on Instagram, and a lot of people have a lot of different opinion. So, you know what I mean, we're gonna get into that, we'll talk about that. But first we have to talk about TC.
Then girl, me have to go call if you pop up on the boy here. Not clouds for friend in that traffic. Murder! Tell you about the under. Friend of mine, look at gold watch. Petite, runner serene. Bumbleclad road. Yeah, friend. When me in the back seat.
Yes, so I want to say congratulations to TC. It looked like she's finally getting closer to her dream of becoming a professional actress, right? So on a recent episode of Dancehall Live, it was announced that TC will be casted in Royal Palm Estate. So you know the Jamaican show Royal Palm Estate, right? So we don't know exactly how it will go. I know someone know this already, but for the ones who don't, you know, we have to say big up to TC anyways. But I have some little clips for sure now I go on. So take a listen. Listen to this. Here goes.
And give her some advice now. What's the next step for her? What would be the most logical move?
Well, I can tell you right now, one of the best things that's about to happen to TC is I'm about to cast her in Royal Palm Estate.
Stop your lies!
Because enough people believe, say, okay, then if them not brown or if them not bleach, them not pretty. You know, TC a big actress. And mama do her thing and she get the right highlight.
Congratulations, I want you to continue working.
My friend is a star!
But he said, my voice was the pretty and I was scream on fire. And I don't know how the voice now got about that.
You have to stand up for her, Panshi. Because she will go out like she want to run things.
I love balaba people between them. Like, I love balaba people. Enough things about me. I mean, that change. But would I love that for TC? I would love for my acting career to get bigger. People always telling me that I'm a beautiful black girl and
Yeah, so once again, congratulations to TC, right? We love to see she move up the ladder, you saw me I say, and then knock out her goals them one by one. And that go for all three of them, you see me I say, you know, Pretty and Rebel do different things as well. But all three of them move forward in the entertainment industry, and we love to see that, right? What people like to say, we are going to talk about Romeich. Well, we're not going to really talk about him, but me are going to show no, you know what I mean, how him a living at Dubai. You see me I say the man enjoy himself. But like me said, the picture now, people, when time post the picture, a lot of people are screaming and say, yo, a Photoshop. People are say, Ray, you know the man reach 1 million followers on him Instagram and then him just disappear. And then him just come back and him post that picture there. Him post one next one, but another one is like a little motivational speech thing, right? But people, they span sip on a picture and the video them wanna go see of Romeich now. You can know if like him really lose some weight or not. To me it look like yes. You see what I say. But people are say a Photoshop. But you know what I mean? want to show another video them. Dubai look nice from when I see it on Romeich stories. So take a look. Here goes.
Outside I know. People, what do you think about my new jewelry? Got some new chain for my birthday. I have to spoil myself, you know. Alright. Peaches boy this man. People are peaches boy this in a Romeich this from down at Walton Park Road, Kingston, Jamaica, you know. Yeah. How am I there? Me there at Dubai. Uncle them man. Uncle them. I live the best life. Woo. Look on life. Oh God. Oh God. From line, I'm dying.
Yeah, people, so let's see what one. So, may actually see some little clips of Shenseea performance, but me no want to go on a little bit there, you know what I mean? We want to get and see what I go and see if we get some more and put it together and make a decent video so we can understand what really going over Dubai, you know what I mean? If she shell it or whatever. But either way, it's a good look for Shenseea out in Dubai, you know what I mean? We see other artists in Dubai before and selected, you know, selected like Tony Mataran and Footer Hype, them used to play around Thingy and Carib Dubai. So, big them up. You see me, I will see Tanto Blacks out there as well, him and Chris Gill. So, you know, people, it's always a good look for see dancehall go further and further. But people, thank you for watching. Big up on yourself. Stay safe.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tanto Blacks. Yeah, they.